Hi, my name is Ariane Maroy, and I'll be portraying the character of Nina from the play The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. And 3 layers that I added to this was the element of air in my voice, water in my movements, level 5 of tension, me leaning into 6 occasionally, and the animal of the seagull. Why do you say you've kissed the ground I walked on? You should kill me rather. I'm so tired. If only I could rest. Rest. I am a seagull. No, 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 no! I'm an actress. He's there too? No matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He used to laugh at my dreams, and so little by little I became so downhearted and ceased to believe in it too. Then came all the cares of love, the continual anxiety about my little one. I soon grew trivial and spiritless, and played my parts without meaning. I never knew what to do with my hands. I couldn't walk properly or control my voice. You cannot imagine the state of mind of one who goes to a play and knows how terribly badly he's acting. I am a seagull. No, 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 no! That's not what I meant to say. Do you remember how you shot the seagull once? A man chanced to pass that way and destroyed it out of idleness. That's an idea for a short story, but that is not what I meant to say. Oh, what was I thinking? Yes, the stage. I've changed now. I am a real actress. I act with joy and exaltation. I am intoxicated by it and feel that it makes me superb. I've been walking and thinking, and ever since I've been here, I have felt the strength inside of me grow every day. I know now, Constantine. I understand at last that for us, whether we write or we act, it is not the honor and the glory of which I have dreamt of that is so important. It is the strength to endure. One must know how to bear one's cross, and one must have faith. I believe, and so do not suffer so much. And when I think of my calling, I do not fear life.